Eco-friendly ways to dissolve septic tank solids at home. A septic system works best when waste is broken down naturally. However, solids can build up and cause problems if ignored. Instead of chemicals that harm the environment, eco-friendly septic tank solids solutions provide safe and effective care. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Boost with natural bacteria and enzymes. Adding natural bacteria or enzyme products strengthens the septic ecosystem. These help dissolve solids faster and prevent clogs. 2. Use fiber-rich food scraps, vegetable peels, oats, and bran feed helpful bacteria. This natural boost makes solids break down more easily. 3. Flush with warm water. Pouring warm, not boiling, water into drains helps loosen grease and keeps solids from hardening. 4. Avoid chemical cleaners. Bleach and chemical drain cleaners kill good bacteria. Choose biodegradable soaps, plant-based detergents, or vinegar instead. 5. Conserve water daily. Too much water slows bacterial activity. Use low-flow fixtures, fix leaks, and spread laundry loads to protect your system. 6. Improve oxygen flow. Bacteria thrive with oxygen. Staggering water use and avoiding heavy surges allows waste to decompose more effectively. 7. Seek eco-friendly professional help. For stubborn solids, professionals offer oxygen-based or biological treatments that are safe and effective. Keeping your system healthy doesn't require chemicals. With bacteria, fiber, warm water, and mindful habits, eco-friendly septic tank solid solutions protect your home and the environment while extending the life of your tank. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.